Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones. And I am back with another banger for your head top, another video for you. You know how we rocking. If you're new to this channel, you know you ain't nothing new to this. Today, unboxing, man. I'm not gonna hold you. Before I do this unboxing, a lot of y'all say I talk too much. What's my video? You know what I'm saying? I gotta talk. Anyway, look, check this out. Anybody who's on my Instagram live today, if you wasn't on my Instagram live today, you missing out. But that's not the point. The point is, man, my Instagram live, I rarely go on Instagram live, right? And I said, I'm going to start going on Instagram live at least 3 times a week to be like more interactive. I post pics a lot, but I don't like go live or, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. Also, my stories be kind of lit though, so watch those. Anyway, I said I'm going to go live more. And I went live today. Shout out to everybody else in that live. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's linked down below. It's easy. Just go ahead and follow me. I appreciate it. But look, check this out. So as I was on live, I was asking you guys to give me like video ideas of the day. I do that a lot. But more importantly, literally, as I'm on live, bro, my doorbell rings. Okay? Like my doorbell ring. My door is literally like maybe 5 steps from the kitchen. It's like right there. Soon as the doorbell ring, bro, I stop immediately. I abruptly stopped and I proceed to go to the door. I grab my phone. I open the door. Note. Okay, note, it took me maybe 3 seconds, okay? It took me 3 seconds to get from the door, from the kitchen, and the doorbell rang. So the doorbell, ding dong, I hear it, I open up the door. It's UPS dropping off this package. By the time I open the door, bruh, the dude from UPS is already pulling up. How? But first of all, look, you gotta understand, I live in Georgia, okay? Atlanta is super country, okay? The driveway is long, bro. It's a long drive. It's no way possible. This man rang my doorbell, and by the time I open the door, he's already putting it in drive. Now listen, I don't know if UPS has some new package launching system to make sure that they stay 6 feet away from everybody during this quarantine. But I need something, bro. I need something. I said this on my Instagram story. Bro. How? How? Anyway, that's pretty much my story for these, bro. I was on Instagram live. I go open the door. Dude already hitting like 80 out my street. And I'm like, bro, I just opened this door. How did you already get in the car and already have it in drive? Like, it's not 2 of y'all. It's only 1 of y'all. Today's video is on this box, man. We do have an unboxing real quick. Hold up, let me get a thumbnail for a second. So this video probably not gonna be that long. I'm simply just gonna unbox these and let y'all see what we got. And a lot of y'all wanted me to unbox it live on Instagram live, but of course I gotta wait to do it for the YouTube squad, man. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day, man. Today is Friday, and everybody know Good Friday, bro. Drop some comments down below. Drop Snipe Squad down below if y'all feeling good this Friday. I got a lot of great news coming up, but until I can tell that news, let me just go right back to the unboxing. By the way, if anybody is expecting any packages from Nike, then comment down below, because this shipment was delayed, just like everything else. But I mean, I'm not gonna cry about it. I know why. We all know why, but I just wanna know. I just wanna be nosy and know. Huge thing I wanna do is shout out Nike for stop putting the swoosh on the boxes, bro. I think I literally, if it wasn't me, it had to be a bunch of us, bro, because I know for a fact, I had so many videos talking about this swoosh in a negative way, when they would just put huge swooshes on the side of the box. And of course, they still got the Just Do It tape, even though that's kind of sketchy, but at least they don't have huge Nike, because if you're driving from far away, you can't see what the tape says. You can clearly see a huge Nike swoosh on the side of the box. Thank you, Nike, for taking that off. I really appreciate it. But now it's like they got like some Nike stuff on the inside, but it's cool though, because you can't see that. That's all that matters. Here we have it, guys. Another Air Jordan 1 box, so you can only imagine what it is. Take the top off this joint real quick, and bow, here we have the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe. Now, I've already done countless videos with the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe, so guys, I'm not going to sit here and review this over again, but I did want to unbox it. This is my second pair. It's a double up. Now, I'm not sure if I want to keep this. I'm not sure if I want to let it go. This is a pair I hit on Nike sneakers. So the pair that I had originally was sent to me by Hibbett Sports. Thank you guys so much. But this is the pair that I got from Nike sneakers. They did like an exclusive access, and I really literally don't know how I won that exclusive access, because I never got it. It was like they did 2 waves. They did exclusive access for people that night. They were able to buy it like 7 o'clock in the afternoon, or like was it 7 o'clock in the morning? It was something like that, 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And it was like after people bought their pairs, it's kind of like they extended that invitation to buy some. And they gave it to me. And of course, I bought my size. So here we have it. I got 2 pairs. The other pair is over there in the cut. If you guys have not seen any of those videos where I unboxed this shoe and I also did a review, a full-on on-foot review, basically, I will link both of those down below, or you can just wait till the video is over and check them out. But I had a lot of great things to say about this shoe. The only thing that I forgot to mention about this that I should have mentioned in my last videos, I really wish that this shoe came with a spare pair of white laces. After seeing these online, seeing so many pictures of seeing these with white laces, it really had my mind wondering like, wow, these would be fire. So white laces are the easiest ones to come by. I can easily go out, give me my own pair of white laces and put them in here. But like I said, those are fire. And I don't even do the alternate lace thing. I usually keep them whatever they have, but white laces will look fire in these. Also, a lot of people always ask me about sizing when it comes to Jordan 1s. I always go true to size. All right, Jordan 1s are one of them shoes that look good when they beat up. So you don't really have to worry about, you know, toe crease and stuff like that because it adds character to your Jordans. On top of that, as I said, when I did the on-foot portion of this shoe, I think the material felt a lot better once I put them on feet and I actually started rocking them. So when I started like bending this toe box, actually putting some work in them, the material started feeling a lot better. So I think this is a shoe you probably want to beat up a little bit, get your runs in. So I would say go true to size. And for my people who don't know too much about it, it will be releasing this weekend for the retail price of $170, and it will be available everywhere: Nike SNKRS, Foot Locker, Foot Action, DTLR, Jimmy Jazz, Champ Sports, Finish Line, you name it, this shoe will be there. So good luck to everybody who want to purchase this. And yeah, man, that's just about it. I don't know if it's good enough to double up on. I might let it go. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do, but I am happy that I have another pair in. I might trade it for something that I want. You never know, man. I could trade this off. But anyways, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. I know today was a very quick video, but I had to let you guys see the second pair that came in today. Smash up the like button. Make sure you subscribe, guys. More content coming for your head top. Let's try to get this video to at least 500 likes. Can we at least do 500? 500 shouldn't be hard at all. 500 likes at the end of this video, man. Thank you guys so much. And until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.